forever young.
In today's video, I'm showing y'all how to edit on iMovie on your iPhone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new movie with a clip and click on it. The first effect is a video filter effect. So in order to do this, what you guys are going to want to do is go to the settings option, which is right here. Click on it and you'll see that in this top bar there are a ton of different settings right here. So you can do a black and white theme, blockbuster, silent era, vintage, western. There's all different ones, and there's also themes that you guys can do and a couple other effects down here. You guys can also split clips, and in order to do this, what you guys are going to do is you'll see this white line at the bottom of your screen that the arrow's pointing to, and you're just going to want to align that where you want to split your clip. Then you'll see the button that says split on the bottom black bar that pops up. You're going to click on the split button, and now you have two different clips that you can use for your video. The next effect is to actually zoom in on your clip. So in order to do this, you'll see in the top right corner there's this magnifying glass with a plus in it. You're going to click on that, and then you use your two fingers to pinch in to the video in order to align it where you want it, and you can move it around so that your clip is zoomed in. You can also speed up or slow down your video by clicking on the clip, and you'll see this timer button that the arrow's pointing to. You drag that white circle towards the rabbit or towards the tortoise to speed up or slow down your clip. You can also freeze it by pressing the freeze button and editing it with the yellow line, and you can see that you can pause it for a few seconds of the video. Another effect that you guys can do is add text. So you'll see in the bottom here that there is the T, and when you go to that, you'll have a bunch of different options for text. Here you can just click on the text you want, and then you can just type in whatever you want for it. You'll see at the bottom you can also play with these options center and lower, and that can decide if you want it in the center of the screen or the lower part of your screen. If you want to use multiple filters on your video, one thing you can do is click on your clip and you'll see these three circles that are overlapping, and you can also just change the filter for just that clip instead of changing it for your entire movie. We all make mistakes when making our movies, so if you want to delete or undo something, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You'll see in the bottom right corner that there is a delete button, so just select the clip that you want to get rid of and do that. But if you mess up, you can press this little circle-y arrow thing and it will undo the thing you just did. If you are interested in adding transitions to your movie, I'm going to show you how to do that now. You'll see this little white line between your clip, and that's what your transition is, and once you click on that, a menu will pop up with a bunch of different transitions you can use. As you guys can see, I'm just demonstrating a few of them here. I know that the wipe transition or the slide transition is something that's super popular with YouTubers. You can also change the length. You'll see on the left side there are a bunch of like decimal numbers, and you can just decide on that if you want to make the transition go longer or shorter, depending on the effect you're going for. It's also easy to add music to your video, so what you're going to want to do is you'll see right here you're going to go to settings and you can turn on theme music, and it will actually put the music that's themed into your video. If you want to split it or change the volume, just click on it and go to the audio button like we did before, and you can make it lower or louder, and you'll see by just dragging this circle around. You can also split the clip or change how fast it is by doing the same effects we did for the rest of the video, but just with audio. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to put the simple over the first clip instead of the second, and there we go. Thanks for watching my video, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials just like this one. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on my channel, and if you have any questions or requests, just make sure to leave them down below. I try to do all of the videos that you guys ask for within a month or so, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!